Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this too because this is not just one, there are two memory foam pillows, neck pillows for both. These are going to be really good for both driving, if you're driving every day, or if you're using your car every day, or if you're kind of like driving for long distances. These are going to be good for that. You can put one in the driver's seat and one in the passenger seat if you want. You can actually put it this way or this way as well. I found out that this way, kind of like an V shape, these are better or feels better for your shoulders as well and your neck. But also, I want to say that these ones are really good for office chairs. I tried this one. This is in my car now, and I tried the other one on my office chair. And I gotta say that these are really good for that as well. You can see how fluffy these ones are, and it comes with the adjustable strap over here, so really easy to just put right here. So for when you're driving, you kind of like stand yourself a little bit and you put it kind of like that way. So you have two options. So this is the sweet spot. This right here is the perfect spot for both your shoulders and your neck. So when you're driving, you're not just like, I don't know, like clenching your shoulders or cramping your body or something like that. You're more like relaxed and having a really nice place for your head. You can actually put it up if you want, kind of like this. You just go to this way over here. Let me try it out. And you can put it more like up right there if you like to sit kind of like in this position, like in a straight position. You can put it up if you want. So rest in your shoulders and that give you that really nice sitting and comfy position. These are super good. I like them. Remember, these are not just one, but two. So put the other one for your partner, your wife, your husband, whatever, but just keep the other one or use one for the car and the other one for the office chair. These are fantastic.